Then take a look at the WISUNO gas shielded solid welding wire. You can see that is a 0.8 wire. That is ER70S-6. That is a 0.030 inches, which is also equivalent to 0.8 millimeters in a welder. That is a coated wire, so we don't have to worry about rust. Sometimes even when it's coated, they can be rusty. So I am happy to see that as we are spinning this, I am seeing no rust at all on that wire. It does have a hole where it can stick out so that we can wind that guy up. We don't have to worry about it unspringing. And something I like about this one right now that I can see is that this is going to unwind from the bottom if we have the label facing us. Most welders that I deal with today have the wire feeding from the bottom, so we're actually going to be able to see what wire we have in the welder with the way that this is wound and with the way it is labeled. So that is a 0.8 tip, and that does fit without any issue. And so we are caterpillared up a little bit, so I would need to turn up the heat, but what I did notice is that it was running nice and consistently. I wasn't having any problems with the wire getting too large and too small in certain spots. The thing just ran nice and fluid. As we can see, we can put out some nice decent metal. That will definitely glue some metal together. So overall, that is some very usable wire.